Okay, it's about to be, well, fun fact, today is my birthday, and I'm recording this technically yesterday, so I can finally have some backlog on myself. But there's one problem about today's calendar. I kind of noticed this before by accident. It's a weekend one, which means this series is only going to be uploaded 6 days a week instead of 7 days a week. But today's plane is the Flying Fish. Let's move the other page out of the way because we don't want to spoil anybody and accidentally knock the antenna over. Alright, so this is a basic fold, actually. So, first thing we have to do is fold paper in half and then fold, and then use these lines to guide us. Yeah, it's just tricky because it's hard to see when you're nearsighted. But yeah, how's everyone's day going? Mine's just started off okay, and getting tricky to do more of these videos because life doesn't want me to do any videos. See, I'm gonna fold the top corners over to 7 feet. Increase these wires need to move. Have more control, so I think that's probably what's causing the misjudgment too. So we fold these like so, and now we flip over. Fold the plate down as shown. Flip over. Come out here. Flip over. And now we follow the center line. This side down. Aha! So that's what I was doing. I was doing valley folds instead of mountain folds. Mountain folds the opposite. Okay. And next thing we do is fold like this. Very straightforward. And it's kind of crooked, but that can't be helped. And then the last thing is to fold the wings down. Looks awkward. There we go, we're almost done. And with that, we have made the Flying Fish. That's the wings for it, and there we go. Next plane is done. And I drew it wrong because it doesn't play like so. That's cute. But that is it for today's plane. Tune in tomorrow for another one. Well, okay, maybe not tomorrow. Tune in Monday for another one because weekends are weird.